Enjoy eating boneless chicken with this technique. We tell you how to bone a chicken leg. To start, we take a very sharp knife and make this cut at the base of the leg, just a few inches above the stump. The cut has to touch the bone. Now, we take the part of the stump and dislocate the leg, then we force by turning the bone at least 180 degrees. We pull the bone, and we will notice that it slides easily. We can now withdraw it. The next step is to make a cut in the part of the thigh just above the bone, until it is touched with the tip of the knife. Cut the entire length of the bone. Insert the finger and slide under the bone, pulling upwards to remove it easily. If necessary, remove the meat from the bone with the help of the knife. Ready, we will already have a boneless chicken thigh leg to enjoy in any recipe.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.